Hey sweet chicks, how you doing? My name is Wakea Khalifa. Even if I've seen my face before, this is your first time to stop by. My name is Wakea Khalifa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up. Now if you're my old subscriber, hello guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic because I am. And don't forget to literally to comment and share the video as well. Now if you have not yet turn notification up, this is the perfect time to do so guys. So every time I do upload a new video, you'll be the first one to watch. You don't have to wait for it. So you're gonna be the first one to watch every time I do upload a new video, so show me the mad love as well. But anyways, so today's video, like you can tell by the title, I'm doing another one of my favorite video. So the first video that I did, it was a wig, and then the wig got quite a reaction because I didn't get the link. So this time around I thought to myself, I got the link, let me just come here and show you exactly what I bought. So I got the ponytail from Aliexpress and I'm so excited, and it was $10, if I'm not mistaken. $10. It took like 2 months to arrive in UK, but with $10 is worth of weight. $10, I don't know how much that is in UK, but I think it's gonna be like £8, £7, because every time dollars goes up, so I'm not sure how much is it, but I'll put it right here for you guys. I'll Google and I'll put it right here for you guys to see. But it took like literally 2 months to arrive in UK. But yeah, I got it, and it's 32 inch ponytail. Is wavy, it's really amazing. I already opened it. Before you say it, I already opened it because I was so excited to see what quality it came with. So this is a ponytail right here guys. This is a ponytail right here. Is wavy ponytail. It's really soft. Obviously it's not real hair. It's a bit shiny wise, but I think you can wear it and nobody will notice it. And the camera, I don't think it looks that bad. It looks like literally my real hair, and my real hair is literally natural hair. So I just put the gel and I put the ponytail on the back of my natural hair. So if you want to see the video how literally I pull my hair back and everything, let me know in the comment section and I'll do it for you guys. This is my natural hair. I haven't relaxed my hair for like 4-5 years now. I haven't relaxed my hair, I haven't even touched it. I haven't even put anything that literally chemical to relax my hair since 5 years now. So this is my natural hair right here, and this is the ponytail that I got from Aliexpress. It's really wavy. That's how it came. Like it's a bit soft. It's not tangling yet, but I think the more you wear it, the more tangle it's gonna get because it's really long, 32 inch hair, so it's a bit long. This is how it looks like inside guys. It has a little clip in the side. I believe this kind of clip, we just put it in the first, and then you can just rack it around it. And this bit is a bit that usually you got around to hide your natural hair and the line as well, to look like natural ponytail. And I really love it. It's 32 inch, $10. You cannot go wrong with it. It's just like them kind of things you just want to try it in case you really love it. And it's really wavy, and I thought this wavy kind of hair texture will go with my natural hair. You see how my hair is as well. And then the way it came with this literally a little guiding that you can literally show exactly how to do with the thing. That's a little post it came with it. So it shows you exactly. It has like a number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, like a step, so you can see exactly what you're doing, so you don't want to go wrong. So I really love this, and I'm gonna use this method literally to try it. And I believe that little clip in the side is gonna be the first bit that you want to pull first. The little clips right here it's not tangling. It's really soft. It's literally really soft. I haven't worn it yet because I wanted to show you guys. I haven't worn it yet, but I opened it because I was so excited. It's a bit shiny as well, but it's really wavy. I really love this hair. $10, it cannot go wrong. Like no more you can go wrong with this. It's really quick, easy method ponytail that you usually don't want to spend quite much money, but you want to have a ponytail. And I recommend this for all of you guys because it's just amazing. And this is my second time buying stuff from Aliexpress, and I'm getting a literally nice quality. And I'm gonna link literally the wig that I got from there as well, and it's really amazing. I'll still got that wig, and I'm getting the ponytail. It's really good as well. I just love it. Like $10, it cannot go wrong with like Aliexpress. They're really cheap, but at the same time you just have to do your research. Watch the video, do your research, and you can get quite good, like good stuff from there. That's in my opinion. But anyways, let's start and just put this ponytail and see how it looks like. So guys, I'm gonna be looking that side because the mirror is literally in that side. to put it for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So that is a little clip in the side right here. So I believe in the post, this one first, you have to get it and swing it around and put it, that little clip right, let's see, in your hair, basically, just in your hair. Just swing it and click it in your hair place, and that bit, just swing it. Oh, is it clicking? Just click it, and then this ponytail is really long, and then just make sure that the track is done nicely, because you don't want to redo it again. But yeah, so far so good, hey? Just gotta make it to look like my natural hair, if soon as possible. I'm like, can see myself. And this bit, I think you have to just do that side. That means you can know exactly what you're doing. And then get that little piece. Just get that little piece over here. Oh, I think it went out. Yeah, there. So the little piece over here, that long piece, and then you have to just wipe it around it, wrap your hair around it, the piece that left over. I think I'm doing it right. That's what the post said. I'm following the post. So just work it around until you're happy with it. It's a bit. Swing it around. I'm gonna just get a bit of pins, like one black pin, because your hair is black. I recommend to use black as well, and just put it in the edge bit just to protect it, just in case if something happened, because I don't think that little clip this hair comes with it is that protection at all for your hair. But I think if you put extra ones, it might be more protection for your ponytail to not to flow or not to come out or something, because fake hair sometimes it can be a bit, you know. But this is my ponytail, guys, from Aliexpress. What do you think about it, guys? I think it's quite cute. It's not that full on, but obviously natural hair is not full on as well. I kind of think natural hair will be that full on, but I think it's really really affordable, $10, but it came like after 3 months. So if you're in a hurry, like you want to try it really quick, I won't recommend to buy it there, because it does take quite a long time to literally to come through. But I don't think it's that bad, the ponytail. It just really soft. It's not kind of ponytail. It's not tangling, but it's gonna be tangling. It's not shedding. It's a bit shedding as well. It's coming out. So it's a bit shedding as well as coming out. But if you're that kind of person, you don't want to spend quite loads of money, you just want to like look cute for the picture, or you want to go photo shoot or something, or you want to go out for the day for only for a night, just want to look cute, I think you can buy it. But at the same time, I don't think it will last for quite long. It will last for like a week, but not for quite long, because it's literally, it's not real hair, and then it just is a bit soft and it's get tangling really quick. And the more I'm playing around with it, I can tell the wave is coming out as well. And it's shedding everywhere in my clothes. So it just kind of, the ponytail, you just want to look cute for one day and that's it, or wear it for a photo shoot, or wear it like once when you go out, for like once a month, and that's it. Let me know what you guys think about this ponytail. I think it's really nice. It looks like my hair. On the camera it does look like my hair. Let me look in the, even like on the mirror it looks like literally like my hair, but the only thing is the bit shining. Like in the real life I feel like it's a bit shiny than my hair, but I think you can pull it off if you want to. Only $10. I would actually recommend it to buy it if you want to try it, and I think actually I did quite good with this hair. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up. And literally I love this ponytail. Only $10. I would recommend you guys to get it as well from Aliexpress. I am about to get another wig from there, but I'm having my eyes on this wig, but I'm not sure about it. But when I get the wig I will let you guys know in my YouTube, so please like and subscribe and share and turn notification up. And when I do upload that video, you will of course want to watch and let me know what you think about this ponytail. Let me know what you think about the hair and everything and the price, and I'm gonna link everything in below for you guys so you can get the ponytail if you wish to. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.